So, you want to upload an ebook to GetResponse? Maybe as a lead magnet, part of an email sequence, or to automate your marketing. But if you've tried poking around, you probably realized GetResponse doesn't make it super obvious where to upload files. Stick around because I'll walk you through it in the simplest way possible. Plus, I'll share a much better alternative at the end with an extended free trial you won't find anywhere else. First, let's get straight to it. GetResponse doesn't have a direct ebook upload button like some other email marketing tools. Instead, you have to upload your ebook to an external file storage, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even your own website. Then, you grab the shareable link and use that inside GetResponse. Now, where do you actually add this link? If you're giving the ebook away as a lead magnet, you need to create a landing page or an automated email that delivers it. For a landing page, head to Tools and GT, Landing Pages, pick a template, and insert a download button. Paste your file link there. If you're sending it by email automation, go to Email Marketing and GT, Create Newsletter, or set up an automated workflow under Automation and GT, Create Workflow. Inside the email editor, add a button or hyperlink and paste your ebook's download link. Next thing, formatting matters. If you're linking to a PDF, make sure it's mobile-friendly. GetResponse doesn't optimize file previews, so if it looks bad, people might not even bother downloading it. Another thing, delivery automation. Unlike some competitors that have built-in file hosting, like ConvertKit or Systend.io, GetResponse requires an extra step. If you want a truly automated setup, you'll need to integrate with a storage service that supports direct downloads. The fourth thing, tracking. GetResponse does not track ebook downloads natively. If you want to see who actually downloads your file, use UTM parameters in your link or host it on a service like Bitly that tracks clicks. So, should you use GetResponse for ebook delivery? It works, but it's not the smoothest. If you want an all-in-one solution that hosts your ebooks, delivers them automatically, and tracks downloads, there's a much better option. I've linked an exclusive extended free trial in the description for a platform that simplifies everything. Plus, I've also included a couple of alternatives that offer better automation, built-in file storage, and smarter tracking, all with free trials. Check them out below and see which one fits your needs best.